Welcome to 7 Days of English. Today, you'll learn 7 phrases to practice yoga in English. Repeat after me. Take a deep breath. Repeat. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Repeat. Relax your shoulders. Stretch your spine. Repeat. Stretch your spine. Inhale through your nose. Repeat. Inhale through your nose. Exhale slowly. Repeat. Exhale slowly. Sit in a comfortable position. Repeat. Sit in a comfortable position. Focus on your breath. Repeat. Focus on your breath. Well done. Now you can enjoy yoga in English too. What phrase would you like to learn for your yoga or fitness routine? Tell me in the comments. And come back tomorrow for 7 more real-life English phrases.